Today we have two things which are very similar but ever so slightly different in that Chewits Crazy Face, Crazy Fizzy, Crazy, not Mad Sour, sorry, not Crazy Sour, Mad Sour. Crazy Fizzy is seriously bubblicious and cola-licious and makes your face go weird. Mad Sour, however, is greenest apple, lemon squeezy, and this one makes your face go shift. So that's the thing. These mysterious packets from Chewits that just fell over came from Pound Stretcher. Never seen these before in my life. Never ever. Apparently they're a thing. And they're crazy from inside. So you might want to check the mirror whilst eating these. I'll do that on my own. And 7 rows telling you about the chemistry between us. Talking about the nutrition facts. Interesting. Definitely an interesting flavour because Chewits are just those peelable chewy sweets. But let's start with Crazy Face. Let's nip a corner off and see what happens. That didn't work as well as I expected. Not at all. Not in any way, shape or form. This is going to take much longer. So I took the liberty of opening both packets off camera. I'm making a bit of a mess of the packets. So inside, let's go with Fizzy. You find these. They're a bit squidgy, so they kind of go with Chewits aesthetic. The whole thing, this one, smells ever so slightly of what they are, but let's try them. No fizzy yet. Still chewing through the cola one. There it is. Yeah, in terms of fizziness, it's sherbet fizziness. We all knew that was going to be that. Cola's quite nice. Onto bubblegum. Nice standard bubblegum flavour. Yeah, very nice. And there's the sherbet kicking in. Nice concept. Not sure what face I'm really pulling at the moment, but I feel most of my face pulling is to do with the chewing. Let's move on to Mad Sour. With these two conveniently stuck together like Siamese twins. So what go in these flavours? Apple and, basically apple and lemon. So, that's that out of the way. Let's break them apart. We'll go with apple. Yeah, nice. Not bad apple flavour. There's the sour. I won't go as far as mad sour, but it's quite sour. Not a huge amount of sour stuff in the middle of that, but nice sour twang. Give it a moment, I'll get to lemon. Hard doing 4 sweets in a row, like this. Well, not as hard as some things. Yep. Lemon hits. Lemon flavour. Oh. Yeah, that's definitely sour. Yeah. Sour. How would I rate these? Kind of wish I saw them earlier when they were around, but kind of glad I got them at a rather reduced rate. Yeah, definitely very interesting sweet. If you see them knocking around and you're interested in like any of these flavours or fizziness or sourness, they're not super fizzy and not super sour, really. They're really kind of solid, regular fizzy and regular sour, but yeah, these are very nice indeed. I'm not sure why they didn't. Maybe they didn't catch on, maybe they did, maybe I just didn't see them. Who knows? But yeah, spot them, give them a try.